Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's that time of year again. It's time to do some mud bugging. Last week in Minnesota, where, especially in the area where I trap the crayfish or crawfish, whatever you want to call them, it was in the mid to upper 90s. Some of the days I had 103 on my truck thermometer. So definitely the river should be warm enough so I can catch them. If you don't watch the videos across all the channels, you won't really know what I'm talking about, but a majority of you will. I now brought a camper down and put it on a campground, and during the week I stay there for work and then come back up here to the farmhouse on the weekends. I can actually come up here Friday, Saturday. Today is Sunday. At 2 o'clock I'll head back to the campground. And I specifically put that camper, I picked that campground because it's on the same river that I always catch the mud bugs. This part of the river here though is all sand, and where I usually catch them it's all rocky. So this week is going to be kind of a test run. I'm going to bring 3 traps. I talked about him in another video. There's a guy that, I won't use his name right now, but anyway, he's been getting me beef liver and beef kidneys. I'm going to pick those up from him. He actually lives about 5 miles from the campground. And we're going to give that a shot. So we'll do a test run this week, just running a few traps in that sandy area and see what happens. If I have to then move up to the rocky area, I will. It's not all that far away. Because I'm doing my trapping in Minnesota, I can use this kind of wire with the 1/2-inch squares. If I was down in Louisiana, that would be illegal. I have to use something. This is the smallest size that you can use down in Louisiana, but we're not there. So these are great. I catch more, but some of them are smaller. It's supposed to be real hot again this week. Today, up here, it's only going to be 79. Down there, where the camper is, they're under an excessive heat warning. So I'm going to go from here at 2 o'clock and be down there by 4 o'clock, and it's going to go from about 80 to the mid to upper 90s. So I want to make sure that I've got my very best cooler, because if I do catch some, I won't trap them until maybe Tuesday. And if I do get some, I'm going to want to get them on ice, get them in a bag, and get them in here so that they go to sleep, so they stay alive until I can get up here and boil them. That reminds me, I need one of those bags. There we go. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'm kind of multitasking. I got several things going on here right now. I will see you guys on the next video.